Friends, welcome to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I am going to show you how to make a strawberry jam in Instapot. This is very easy and we need only few ingredients. Let's see how I am doing it. I have taken around 200 grams of strawberries and then washed them in the water. Afterwards I cut them, and these are the three ingredients we need to make the jam: strawberry pieces and half cup of sugar and little bit of orange juice. So at first in the Instapot jar I have placed all the strawberries and I poured all the sugar and orange juice and let it sit for 2 hours so that it will. In the resting time the strawberries will release some juice and afterwards we can do them in the Instapot. In Instapot, this strawberry mixture I am going to cook on a manual option. I am going to set the timer for 4 minutes and it should be on a vent. That's all. And after 4 minutes the pressure should be released normally and we'll see how it is. There is lot of juice here, so I am going to do saute option, and this juice need to be cooked some more time. In between I am going to stir it up. It is very easy to make, and also we are not adding any preservatives. In this way we can let them eat the kids fruits. We are adding very little amount of sugar, and if it is stored in the fridge also it can be stored for 1 month. After it is done we can store them in the glass jar and enjoy with your bread. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.